Alrighty. Hi guys, I am here with a video and a review of some prep containers that I got on Amazon. Really good deal. I got them for $14.99 and I got a set of 15 of them. So this is what they look like. Huge. I got a huge stack of them. They came in a really big box, but they look like this on the inside. So you got your 3 compartments, which is really great. Really love this. And then with the lids on them, they look like this. You see, and then you can put plenty of food in here. So there's enough for 15 meals, or if you want to do 3 meals per day for 5 days a week, you know, for 5 days out of the 10 days. This is what it looks like. Like I said, and I got them really inexpensive. I even put some food in there and everything. I took pictures. I'm going to try to download the pictures so you guys can see what it looks like with the food in there. But like I said, I like them. I think they'd be great if you like to meal prep or just for snacking. Just put your snacks in, you know, for that day or something like that. But I just thought I would do a review on these because, like I said, I've been trying to find something that was very convenient for me as far as meal prepping. And I found these on Amazon and I love them. I will put a link to them down at the bottom of my video so you guys can go straight there and you can look at them. And if you want to order them, you can order them, you know, via that link. But like I said, really inexpensive, really good price for the money. They have other different sets and stuff like that too for different prices. But just kind of go and see what's good for your budget. I think 15 bucks is good. I mean, it was good for my budget. So I know they have some cheaper too, but as far as the quality, I don't know about the quality. But like I said, I ordered the meal prep, you know, I ordered the Prep Naturals. I like the Prep Naturals. So anyway, like I said, I will have the link down below so you guys can go and actually look at it. And but like I said, and they also actually says Prep Naturals here, which is really good. But I like them. They're pretty sturdy. They're microwavable if you want to microwave your stuff. Anyway, that's my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. I would love to hear from you. And keep eating healthy. All right, thanks. Have a great day.